Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about writing a Native American wedding prayer. One of the reasons that this is such a good form of prayer to bring into a wedding ceremony is that the Native American religion tends to focus on oneness, of unifying all of the things in the world. And so it's a really nice connection to a wedding ceremony where you're talking about bringing two people together as one. So it's a nice symbolism, and there's some beautiful imagery that you can use. Read some Native American poetry to get some ideas about the wedding prayer that you're going to write. They're often evoking the spirits of animals, trees, or mountains. So read some forms of the poetry that you might want to imitate in your wedding prayer. Think about what symbolism, some ways to express your emotions using these kinds of symbolism. Then have someone read it, get some feedback, read it over and make sure it flows, because since you'll be reading it out loud, it's really important that it all sounds good together. And take a few steps away from it and then come back to it with fresh eyes and make sure it really sounds like something that you'll want to have as part of your wedding. Once you both agree on this wedding prayer, practice it so that you'll be able to read it slowly and clearly in your ceremony. And those are some ideas about how to write and use a Native American wedding prayer.